Hello. So we're going to be solving this problem. Okay, let me read the question. A body of mass 25 kilogram moving at 3 meters per second on a rough horizontal floor is brought to rest after sliding through a distance of 2.5 meters on the floor. Calculate the coefficient of sliding friction. Okay, so we are looking for coefficient of sliding friction, and the coefficient of sliding friction is what? Mu, if you still remember friction very well. So let's bring out the parameters before we start solving. A body of mass 25 kilogram moving at 3 meters per second on a rough horizontal floor is brought to rest. So if a body is coming to rest, it means it is decelerating. Okay, it means it is decelerating. So there's a particular velocity it started with and it ended at what? 0. So it means the final velocity is 0. So we have v is equal to 0, and it started with what? Initial velocity is equal to 3 meters per second. Okay, rest after sliding through a distance. So we are given distance to be what? 2.5 meters on the floor. Calculate the coefficient of sliding friction. So the formula that has to do with coefficient of starting friction is the mu. From this formula we have F is equal to what? Mu R. Okay, so if you make mu the subject of the formula, you have what? You divide both sides by R, you have F all over what? R, right? Look at what we are given in the parameters. We don't have F, we don't have R. So let's further simplify this to see if we can still solve it with the parameters given. So we have F is equal to what? MA, and then all over R is equal to what? Mg. Okay, let's see, check it out. We're given mass, even though I didn't state it, mass, please, mass is equal to 25 kilograms. Okay, we're given mass, we're not given acceleration. We know g is a constant, g is equal to 10. Okay, so this is complete, but this is not complete. So let's see if we can find v. Okay, using one of the equations of motion, we can find v. Do you still remember? The first equation of motion is what? V is equal to u plus 80. So we have, let's see the equations of motion that will be applicable to be used. V plus 80, v square is equal to u square plus 2as, right? Then we have s is equal to ut plus what? Half at squared. So which one do you think is suitable based on the parameters we are given? Okay, and to find a. Okay, this is not applicable, we don't have t, this is not applicable, so we use this one. Okay, so we're going to be using this to find a. Permit me to wipe the questions since we're done with what? Picking the parameters. Remember, it is deceleration because the body came to rest. The body came to rest, so it is deceleration. Bear it in mind. Bear it in mind. So we have v squared is equal to what? U squared plus what? 2as. What is our v? V is 0 squared is equal to u is what? 3 squared plus what? 2 is a constant times a. A is what we're looking for. The s is given as what? 2.5. 2.5. So we have 0 squared is 0 squared. 3 times 3 will give us 9 plus what? 2 times a times 2.5 will give us 5a. Okay, 2 times 2.5 will give us 5. Then this a will come down. Then we have which one are we taking to the other side? Any one of it will be negative. So we have let's take this one to this side. We have minus 9 is equal to 5a. So a will be equal to what? A will be equal to what? Minus 9 all over 5. Okay, this is equal to what? 9 divided by 5. Punch your calculator out. So we have 1.8 meter per second square. But bear in mind, this is deceleration. So it means it's going to be negative a is equal to minus 1.8 meter per second square. So if we divide both sides by minus 1, then we'll have what? 1.8 meter per second square as our what? Acceleration. So we have gotten our acceleration to be what? 1.8 meter per second. Now we can solve. We can come back here now and solve all our parameters complete. So we can solve now. So we have m to be what? What is m? M is equal to 2.5. Our a is what? 1.8. M is what? M is what? What is m? 2.5. And then g is what? 10. So if you have this 2.5 times 1.5, oh sorry, I'm missing this thing up. Oh, mass is 25. Sorry, please. It's the distance that is 2.5. Please, please, it's 25. From the question we read, it's 25. So we have 25 times 1.8. 25. If you punch your calculator, you have 45. Okay, so 25 times 10. Punch your calculator. If you don't know how to do it off head, you can still punch your calculator. It will give you 250. Okay, so 45 divided by 250 will give us what? Punch your calculator. So you have 0.18. Okay, there's no unit because it's the ratio of two forces, so no unit. It has no unit. So this is the answer. 0.18 is the answer. I hope you enjoyed today's problem solving. I'm still Bukola Joseph, the physics enthusiast. Bye.